Wet, wet, wet. What season is it in your business? Hi everyone, Angus Pryor here, Australia's #1 Google ranked dental marketer. Now, as you can see, it's quite wet outside. Guess what? It's meant to be summer. Like, what's up with that? This is Australia. I don't live in Antarctica or something, and you can see it's very wet, and yet it's meant to be summer. And the truth is, I've connected with a lot of practices in recent times, and for many of you, the year 2023 has been a bit like this weather outside. It's been wet, it's been bad weather, it's been gloomy. You know, in the midst of all of those interest rate increases in Australia and various other factors, it's not been a great year for you. Now look, in business, like in life, there are seasons. There are times where we've got spring with lots of growth, summer ripe for the harvest, autumn getting ready for, perhaps not ideal times. And for some of you, 2023 might be a kind of winter. And the question is, if it's been a kind of winter for you, what are you doing now to prepare to make 2024 your best year ever? You know, I interviewed Janine Alice recently, that's the founder of Boost Juice, on my podcast. And I said, Janine, what should practices do at a time like this when maybe economically it's not the best? And she said, well, the inclination is to spend less on marketing, but in fact, what you should be doing is spending more on marketing and having a really close look at the other aspects of your budget, because there will always be things that you're still spending on. Maybe it's subscriptions, whatever the case, that you can kill those, but keep the marketing strong or spend even more, because that's what leads to more growth in your practice. So it's very simple. If you are experiencing a winter in your practice and you think, I need to do something better for 2024, then in a minute, my details are going to come up. Why not book in an appointment and find out how to make 2024 your best year ever? Otherwise, what season are you in now? Catch you next time.